Howdy there, marketers. This is Kieran from Clear Imaging, and as part of our Marketing How-To series, today we're going to look at MailChimp, how easy it is to create an email campaign and send it out to your list. So you're going to have to do two things. If you don't have an account, come on down, MailChimp.com, sign up for free, log in, and then you're going to have a spreadsheet or a list of customer names and emails, and you're going to upload those. After you do that, you'll be over here at the dashboard, right here. And we're just going to dive in right now. I'm going to show you how to create a campaign. It's super quick, very easy. We'll click Create Campaign. I'm going to choose email. There's other things you can be doing here, but we're focusing on email in this video. I'm going to make a name for the campaign. So, Email Blast, Aug 7, 2020. And just look how easy this is. It's going to want to know who you're sending it to. So whatever you uploaded for your list, or if you didn't, you're going to have to upload a list of contacts. So we're going to choose a list. Choose this one right here. Click Save. It's as easy as that. Next is the subject. You want your subject to have a little bit of a hook to kind of grab that attention, a little bit of mystery. Something like that kind of gets their attention and interest to open up. From, we've got this email right here automatically in there. Otherwise you'd click Edit and put your email in there. Content, this part takes the most time and preparation, but it's not too bad. They have a lot of custom templates here that you can just choose and customize, pre-built. But if you're like me, you'll just pick a simple text one because these tend to perform a lot better because they don't look like flyers, they don't look like sales emails, it just looks like a normal email. And you can go ahead and delete a section like that, delete. If you want to throw in an image, take an image and drag it over here and upload it, pretty darn simple. Yeah, we're going to delete that. And so there's a lot of different things you can do here. But typically, you won't even need all this. You can just start right in. We're going to select all that, delete it. Dear. And we want to put their first name, but we want to have it always done for us. So we can use a substitution tag, fname. Now, as long as we uploaded first names in our contact sheet, we could do this. If you did not upload first names, if you only uploaded emails, then you can't do this. So, dear first name, hi there, it has been quite a while. We came out to your property a while back and did blah. I wanted to follow up with you and see how it was going. Now that's just an example, but the idea is you can send kind of a natural human communication. You could send a sales pitch as well, but this is just kind of something you could send to see how they're doing and build up some rapport, in other words. Sincerely, your name, etc. So then this is our message and we're good to go. We'll click Save and Close. Continue. Scroll back down. So as we're going down, we're getting check marks on all these. We're looking good. We can now send a test email, which I always recommend because you always want to test, or you can preview it to see how it looks. And then other than that, you are good to go. You can press send and send it right now, or you can schedule it and it will go out whenever you want. Put it next week, tomorrow, choose a specific time, etc., etc. So as you can see, it's really quick to get going. It's very powerful. Your customers do want to hear from you. So as you just saw, it doesn't take that long to set up. Go ahead and do that. If you have any problems, reach out to us. I would love to help you and get you going in that direction. Other than that, if you need any help with your website, of course, this is us, Clear Imaging. We've been helping small business owners manage their websites since 2004. We're super dependable, always answer emails, and we get the job done. That's why we've been around for so long. So just come on over to the contact page and let us know if there's anything we can do for you. Until then, thank you very much and take care.